Alright guys, you're looking at a custom fitted grill set we just had done for a customer. This one's gold plated, over 925 sterling silver. It's an 8 top, 8 bottom. You can do a top or a bottom, that's up to you. You can do a set. Here's a back side. These snap right on the teeth. This is an actual impression of the customer's teeth. Beautiful handmade work, guys. These have the permanent cuts. You can see in between each tooth there, you have that line. That's a cut. Perm cuts. Gives it that nice defined look. High quality work. blingcartel.com, guys. Grills are our specialty. Check us out. Check the link in the description. Takes you right to the product. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.